Hey there, fellow Minecrafters. Welcome back to our channel, where we're always on a mission to take your Minecraft experience to the next level. And today, we're diving deep into the world of cheats and commands in Minecraft. Because who doesn't want to add some extra excitement to their gameplay?
Alright, let's get right into it. By turning on cheats in Minecraft, you unlock a whole new dimension of possibilities. Building structures faster than ever before, exploring the game world with unparalleled efficiency, or even altering the game entirely to suit your wildest imaginations. Sounds amazing, doesn't it?
Now, let's turn those cheats on. If you're playing on a single-player world, it's as easy as munching on a golden apple. Just open the game menu, locate the Open to LAN option, and boom. You'll find the magical Allow Cheats button waiting for you. Click it, and you're ready to embark on your cheat-filled journey.
But what if you're on a multiplayer server? Fear not. To unleash the power of cheats, you'll need administrator privileges. Once you've obtained those golden tickets, simply type in Game Mode Creative and watch as the Minecraft universe bends to your will. Creative Mode engaged.
This is where things get really interesting. Once you've enabled cheats, a whole arsenal of commands becomes available at your fingertips. Let's take a look at some of the most useful ones.
Need to switch up your game mode? Just use the Game Mode command, followed by the desired mode: Survival, Creative, Adventure, or Spectator. It's like having a superpower.
Looking to equip yourself or your friends with epic items? Say hello to the Give command. Specify the player, the item, and the desired amount, and voila! You're a Minecraft Santa Claus.
Teleportation, anyone. The TP command is your gateway to instant travel. Just target the player or entity you want to teleport, then set the destination coordinates. It's like having your own personal teleportation device.
Want to control the flow of time? Look no further than the Time Set command. Whether it's day, night, noon, or midnight, you have the power to shape the world around you.
And let's not forget about the weather. With the Weather command, you can make it rain, clear the skies, or even summon a thunderstorm. It's like being a weather god.
And these are just a few examples of the incredible commands that await you in the world of Minecraft cheats. The possibilities are truly endless.
Before we wrap up this cheat code extravaganza, remember that with great power comes great responsibility. Cheats can be a fantastic tool for enhancing your Minecraft experience, but always make sure to use them responsibly and with the appropriate permissions. Let's keep the game fair and enjoyable for everyone.
But hey, speaking of Minecraft and learning, did you know that Moonpreneur is offering an amazing opportunity for kids to learn coding through Minecraft? It's true. Their Minecraft coding course is designed to teach kids the art of coding in the fastest and most fun way possible. Imagine building epic structures while learning valuable skills. So don't miss out. Book a free class with Moonpreneur today and unlock a world of possibilities.
And that's a wrap, my Minecraft-loving friends. I hope you've enjoyed this deep dive into cheats and commands in Minecraft. If you did, be sure to smash that like button, leave a comment down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting Minecraft content.
Thanks for watching, and as always, happy crafting, happy exploring, and happy cheating. Until next time, stay awesome, and I'll catch you in the next video. Take care.